How to find the best air conditioner install service. Did you know finding the best air conditioner install service is crucial to your family's well-being? The right kind of maintenance, servicing, and installation will benefit your home and family with perfect temperatures, efficiency, and extension of your system's life. With any threat of warm weather, it's the smart homeowner who calls an air conditioner install company to service his or her unit before the heat gets unbearable. If you wait too late in the year, you may find they are extremely busy and won't be able to attend to your needs as soon as you'd like. But with so many service companies out there to choose from, how in the world will you find the best one? It's a super idea to ask your neighbors, co-workers, or friends and family. They will be honest enough to tell you what they liked and didn't like about the person they used. This information can be very helpful. You can also look into your local telephone directory or online to locate an air conditioner install company. Online you'll be able to find many good testimonials as well. The classified section of your newspaper should also have advertisements of reputable companies. A good move would be to call the company and ask some questions. How long have they been in service? Are they licensed, bonded and insured? When you make your choice, don't forget to ask your friends and others if they have ever heard of the company you're thinking of using. If they have they heard anything bad about them? You don't want to hire someone that has a less than perfect reputation. You can also call your local business association to see if anyone has ever had a bad experience with them. Besides making the right choice of an air conditioner install company, you will also want to choose which kind of unit you need. There are 3 basic kinds. 1. Window units. Great for small room spaces. They come in different unit sizes according to the size of your room. 2. Portable units. Great for rooms which have no windows or the windows are too small for a unit. Garages and workshops are excellent spaces for these. 3. Central air. This type of HVAC can be expensive, but in the long run it's the favorite for overall temperature regulation and comfort level. Many potential home buyers will want this feature, so it's also a great investment. They are also very energy efficient. Any of these units will perform the job of cooling and filtering the air in your home. Special features such as remote controls, built-in timers or digital display are included in the most up-to-date models. If you want to be one cool person, be sure to take time to find the right air conditioner install company to meet your needs. With so many types and sizes to choose from, it's a luxury homeowners just can't be without. Phoenix Air Conditioner Install, http://www.alienicphoenix.com AC_system_installation_and_replacement.html, http://www.alienicphoenix.com. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/ace_abby/851844